Alaia'sPlayhouse. Hi, Alaia'sPlayhouse fans. So today we're going to do a slime video. So we're gonna make a cool slime. Alright. So we have our spoon and we have a bowl. So I got my glue and I poured it in the cup because it's a little easier. And then if you ever need to grow, definitely look help. Okay, so now let's pour the glue in the cup. I mean the bowl. For the cup and now let's put the paint. So we have different colors. We have purple, we have pink, we have blue. We have a lot of different colors. We got our green glue. Of course. Green. Oh, guys, the other thing you can do if you don't have paint, you could also use food coloring. I'm gonna use the food coloring instead. And it has green. And here it has green, yellow, pink, and blue. So I'll put the green in. Put a couple drops. Depends how light or dark you want it to be. Put like 1, 2, 3. There you go. Perfect. Looks a little black. The top back on. Open the container. Wait. Now let's get our activator and our baking soda and some shaving foam. Let's put some of our shaving foam and shake it. There we go. Look how it looks like. Whoa, it's really like fun. It might look like grass. can I get all of that? It's one more spot. And it might be sticky. It's really sticky now. So you don't really need to put anything else. You just mix it with your hands a little bit more. It'll get off your fingers. See? Stab all the fingers to your skin. Get that slime and then smear it all over the wall. Get all the other stuff. Whoa! Now it's pudding. Well, excellent. That's amazing! Look how cool green it is. Up these really cool slime. See, it's all done. But of course you need to put the finishing touch of glitter. I'm gonna put some purple glitter here. You can put it while you're like mixing and stuff, but I like putting it at the end because then it actually shows. So, glitter, glitter. Yeah, it's not that good. Now, it's not that good. So, I'm gonna put it up, and you could put another color, like gold. Mold. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!